Alright, welcome back. In this lesson we're going to talk about how to take other 3D scanner store assets and making them useful for our actual character. And we're going to be using Wrap and a little bit of ZBrush. I went ahead and imported in the things that I wanted and scaled them up to our scale just so that we didn't have to go through that in this. We kind of already did that in one of the other tutorials. I showed you how to delete lower from the highest and then reconstruct subdivisions so that you retain all the information. And I've done that for all of these. And now we're just going to export them out, and then we're going to open up Wrap, and then I'm going to show you some pretty cool stuff that makes it so you can transfer stuff between assets rather quickly. So we've already exported out our Dustin base. Let's go ahead and do it again, just because I think I changed some stuff on his eye last night. And we are going to come here, export OBJ, go back to Dustin base, and export this. Yes. No, I don't want. All right. And then we're going to export our base of here. So export, and we can call this 3D Scan Store base, I guess. And then what I'm going to do is we are going to go ahead and I'm going to show you a couple different ways we can go about this. So we're going to export each of these on their own. I'm going to go ahead and combine the shoes right now. Let's go ahead and bring them all, both up to level 7. And then let's do a merge, turn merge UV on, and let's do down to go down. And this will take a little bit. Hopefully it works and it doesn't lose the divisions that we have. All right, now those are together. Let's go down to level 1. And let's go ahead and export the shoes. So leather boot, chinos, shirt, and hoodie. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this group. Duplicate, yes, always. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete him out of here. And then I am going to just merge down. Turn on UV, merge down, merge down, merge down. And I'm not really concerned about the color. We can go ahead and just turn this off. But it's all going to be one piece, and we're just going to call this export. We can call it one piece. And then let's go into Wrap. So let's go back to the File Finder. Let's go to OBJ. So one piece, hoodie, shirt sleeve, chinos, leather boot, and our base. Name this hoodie. Chino. .3D scan store base. And rename this one Dustin Base. Alright, this is going to work similar to how we did the eyelashes. It's pretty much the same process. So let's go ahead and create a lattice. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the scan store base into there and the Dustin Base here. And then really you can just do any of these. So let's go ahead and do one piece, and I'm going to show you that because that's going to move everything all at once. Let's go ahead and turn these other ones off. But now you can come here and see. So let's detach this real quick. So you can see, go ahead and hide that guy. Go ahead and hide that. But you can see that our Dustin dude is right there. And then this would be our, scan store base. And then right now I'm going to just do one piece. And you can see that we move all of it at once, right? So if we go into Visual Editor, you can see that we have a clothed Dustin and everything has been moved all together. Or we can come here and we can do one at a time. So we can just say hoodie. And you get a little bit of things wrong, but that's where you come here and you fix it. Usually I just kind of stick with 100, and 100 usually works to keep it pretty seamless. But yeah, so let's do this. Then what we can do is we can say do one more lattice. I wonder if you actually, I've never tried to see if you could do two. I mean, his shoulders are up a little bit in that one. But, Geno's. Let's go and set this to 200 instead. And then you can see the boots. So let's do this hoodie. With this one you can see that everything moved. Let's go ahead and just export these one at a time, and then we can, when we import them in, you will be able to see them more clearly. So let's do save geometry, and let's figure out where we want that. Go OBJ, and we can do hoodie. And we can do fix, save, and compute that. And then let's do chinos. Change this to chino. Shoulders are pretty ridiculous, but shirt. And then we'll do boot. And then let's go back to ZBrush. And let's import these in. Let's go ahead and duplicate these just so that we have them. Go ahead and hide them. Let's go ahead and use this one. Hide this one. Use this one, and then we can do import obj, and we want the Chino fix. Boot fix. Shirt fix. And hoodie fix. And hoodie fix. Go ahead and delete our dude. And then turn on Dustin, and you can basically see. Turn that off. Oops. That we've got a clothed Dustin now. All high. Let's do all high. And there you can see pretty much everything's matched up. I mean, these shoulders kind of turned out a little weird. Let's go ahead and do solo. Not solo. Let's do transpose. And then we can kind of come here and, fix the things that we've kind of seen that are wrong. So BM for move. And then let's go ahead and drop this down to level 1. And let's go ahead and try to make his shoulders a little bit more. Oops. D. It's better. Check his hoodie too. Let's turn off ghost, turn off transpose. Just fix these like little problem areas. But that's it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the names on these. Hoodie, Geo. Just add Geo to these. And then I'm going to turn everything off. Well, I want to export him back out again because I had actually changed something on his eye earlier. But we're just going to export all this stuff out. We can do that as FBX. So export. And the great thing about FBX is it smooths normals. OBJs don't. I don't know if there's an option to get it to smooth normals, but I know that in FBX it will. And I can do everything that's visible right now. So go to export, and let's just call this Dustin import. All right. I think that's it.